Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your private keys with Trezor step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Trezor device. Connect your Trezor to your computer using the USB cable included in the package. Visit the official Trezor website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Follow the prompts to install the Trezor bridge if required. Open the Trezor wallet interface in your web browser. When prompted, create a new wallet or restore an existing one. For a new wallet, click on Create a new wallet. Write down the recovery seed phrase displayed on the screen. Make sure to store this seed phrase securely. Confirm the recovery seed phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Set a strong PIN for your Trezor device. This PIN will be required each time you access your wallet. Once the setup is complete, your Trezor device will be ready to use. To further secure your private keys, enable two-factor authentication if available. Regularly update the Trezor firmware for enhanced security. Consider using a password manager to store important credentials securely. Always disconnect your Trezor from the computer after use. Keep your hardware wallet in a safe location to prevent unauthorized access. Periodically check for any security updates or announcements from Trezor. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your private keys with Trezor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.